Welcome to Built by Maze. Now, I've been struggling with high humidity in my basement and rust forming on my tools in my workshop, so I decided to purchase a dehumidifier to combat these issues. Now, these are commercial dehumidifiers which are built to handle tough humidity problems, and I'm going to show you why I choose each for different area of my house. Now, here we have the AlorAir Sentinel Pro 55X. It removes up to 120 pints per day and is ideal for spaces up to 1,500 square feet. And here we have the AlorAir Galaxy 60P. It removes up to 145 pints per day and is designed for larger spaces up to 1,800 square feet. Now, both units are compact and energy efficient with a built-in pump and gravity drain and auto defrost. Why would you choose a commercial dehumidifier instead of a regular household one? Well, it really comes down to performance, durability, and long-term reliability. Commercial dehumidifiers are built to run continuously, not just for a few hours a day. Regular residential units are designed for living spaces and occasional use, while commercial units are made to operate 24/7 in harsh environments like basements and crawl spaces. They also remove significantly more moisture per day, which means they reach your target humidity faster and maintain it more consistently, especially in damp or poorly ventilated areas. Another big advantage is drainage. Commercial units typically include built-in pumps or direct drain options, so you don't have to constantly empty a tank reservoir like you do with most residential dehumidifiers. They're also more durable, with metal housings, larger coils, and heavy-duty components designed to handle dust, cool temperatures, and long run times. And finally, while they may cost more upfront, commercial dehumidifiers often last much longer and can actually save money over time by preventing mold, wood damage, and repeated replacements of smaller units. Installation is straightforward for both units. You want to place them on a level surface, connect the drain hose or pump line, route water to a sump pump, floor drain, or exterior outlet, and plug in and set your desired humidity level. Ideally, you want to set it between 40 to 50%. With either unit running, you can expect reduced musty odors, lower humidity readings, less risk of mold and mildew, and improved indoor air quality. The Galaxy 60P may reach target humidity a bit faster in larger or damper spaces, while the Sentinel Pro is quiet and efficient for smaller areas. Now, both of these AlorAir units are solid choices for controlling moisture in the home or workshop, and it really comes down to your space size and aesthetics. The Sentinel Pro 55X is perfect for your home, especially if you have a finished basement and want a unit that can blend in with the decor, while the Galaxy 60P gives you extra capacity for bigger or wetter spaces. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next project.